Welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a neckline flounce. So as you can see, I'm going to combine two fabrics here and I'm putting it right side to right side together. And the first thing I'm going to do here is to fold this fabric further into two, like so. The next thing I'm going to do is to mark 5 inches from the top of my fabric. And I'm going to mark 5 inches also at the other end of the fabric, like so. Next, I'm going to connect these 5 inches together like this. When I'm done, I'm going to mark the length of my front flounce from here, okay? Assuming this to be the center front of your body, so you mark any length of flounce you desire. Here I'm going to mark 10 inches. And whatever I mark here, I'm going to mark half of it at the other side of my fabric. So I'm going to mark 5 inches here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to connect these 10 inches with the 5 inches I marked up there. And when I'm done, it's going to look something like this, and I'm going to cut this out. And when I cut this out, it should look something like this. So I'm just going to open it up, and then I'm going to go over to my sewing machine and sew these end like so. This side, leaving this side open. And when I'm done, I have something like this. The next thing I'm going to do now is to turn this inside out to the right side of my fabric. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to sew this area close. And when I'm done with that, now as you can see, I've made some markings here. This is the center part, and I've further divided this area into 3. And what I'm going to do now is to pleat this point to the middle point like so. And the next thing I'm going to further do is to pleat the other side also at least 1 centimeter close to the center point like so. You can pleat the other side like this, or you can decide to pleat it bit by bit. And now as you can see, I've placed the flounce onto the front bodice, and I'm going to stitch this onto it and assemble the other parts of my bodice, and it's ready. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Also like and comment, share with your friends. Bye.